TLC's hit reality series Dr. Pimple Popper is back as fans feed their guilty pleasures by watching Dr. Sandra Lee help her patients with their extreme facial and skin disorders, whether that be masses growing on their bodies or squeezing blackheads. This week, patient Jacqueline visited the clinic hoping that Dr. Lee could help her solve a skin issue that gave her a third boob. In this week's episode, Dr. Sandra Lee's patient Jacqueline could be seen talking about a huge mass that had developed behind her armpit. Jacqueline explained that she has enlisted the help of Dr. Sandra Lee in a desperate bid to get rid of her third boob. It came after the extreme burning pain she was experiencing had become too much for her to handle, making it difficult for her to do her favorite hobby of fire spinning. However, Dr. Lee wasn't the first person Jacqueline went to for help, as she first trusted a wizard to cure her mysterious mass. During the episode, Jacqueline explained, "My boyfriend calls it my third boob," as she showed the mass poking out from under her shoulder. Jacqueline then began prodding her large mass as she described it, saying, "It feels mushy, soft, fatty, it causes me all sorts of pain. It feels like burning, being cut with pieces of glass, is the best way I can describe it, although I've never had both done to me at once." Jacqueline first noticed her lump 10 years ago, but due to her fears of the doctor, she didn't immediately seek help. Jacqueline noted, it was already the size of almost a baseball. She began to recall her first trip to the doctor, explaining, "When I finally went to the doctors and had an ultrasound done on it. The doctors kept saying that until it wrecks my mobility, that it was really no concern." The lack of a solution led Jacqueline down other paths, taking matters into her own hands. Jacqueline admitted, "When I felt like I didn't have any other options, I tried a couple of different things. I was at a little hippie fest, an art fest, and there was a wizard there. And the wizard said he could heal me, and so I allowed the wizard to do his little thing from across the room. Once again, no results there either." Viewers have been left stunned at Jacqueline's story, with many taking to social media to vent their concerns. One viewer at Hail Marie wrote, "My fiancé has something like this on his left arm/armpit area. And his doctors have passed him around to different doctors and specialists and they haven't decided to remove it. It's about the same size too." Another user at Elise01242019 pointed out, "Gets the size of a basketball. Sick," while at Christina.Meadows 56 noted, "Looking forward to the extraction on this site in a few days. Lots of extra skin to remove afterward. Hope to see the sutures as well." Dr. Pimple Popper continues on TLC in the US.